Hi everybody, it's Kaylee Hill from Crafty Chic DIY. Today I'm doing a super cute sign called Beary Christmas. I just have a scrap piece of wood that has kind of a rustic feel. I just love it. I think it's so cute. It has a rope to hang and it's really cute. I'm using two different Chalkology color pastes here. This is Morning Sky. It's kind of a frosty blue color, which is perfect I think for winter and Christmas. And I'm also going to be using white, our Chalkology white paste for the cute little bear over here. So this is seriously so simple. Anybody can do it. All you need to do is put on the color and scrape it off and your design is right there for you. You can add extra elements like I'm doing here just to give it a little extra pizzazz. And this is some clear glitter that I'm using for the bear. And when I shake off the excess, I want to make sure that the other chalk is dry where I do not want the glitter to go. And it's simple as that, and it just makes it so cute, looks store-bought, and it's beautiful. You could also do the other side if you'd like. These transfers go on pretty much any surface, and there you go. I have a VIP group I'd love you to join to get some more tips and tricks and learn how you can do this on your own at your own house and make your own home decor. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.